The topic of discussion is the ifconfig command. This command is a classic network interface configuration tool, commonly used in Linux operating systems. Let's understand what ifconfig exactly is. It is a traditional network interface configuration tool and a part of the NetTools package. Ifconfig is used to view and configure network interfaces. It displays important information such as IP addresses and MAC addresses. The key features are that it displays network interface information, configures IP addresses and netmasks, enables or disables network interfaces, and sets interface flags like up or down and promiscuous mode. Please note that in modern Linux distributions, the ifconfig command is being replaced by the IP command. Let's explore some basic usage of ifconfig. To display all network interfaces, simply run ifconfig without any arguments. This will show all active network interfaces along with their configurations, including IP addresses, MAC addresses, and interface statistics. To display information for a specific interface, type ifconfig followed by the interface name, such as ETH0. This will show detailed information for the ETH0 interface only. Let's learn to understand the ifconfig output. Here is a sample output of the ifconfig command. ETH0 is the interface name, which refers to an Ethernet adapter. The flags indicate the interface status such as up, which means active. MTU is the maximum transmission unit size. INET represents the IPv4 address. Netmask is the subnet mask. INET6 is the IPv6 address. Ether refers to the MAC address. RX or TX packets indicate the received or transmitted data statistics. Errors or dropped indicates network error statistics. Let's see how to configure network interfaces using ifconfig. To assign an IP address, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 followed by the desired IP address and netmask. For example, you can assign the IP address 192.168.1.5 with subnet mask 255.255.255.0. This will assign the specified IP address, and the changes will take effect immediately. To enable or disable an interface, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 up to enable the interface or sudo ifconfig ETH0 down to disable it. To set a broadcast address, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 broadcast followed by the desired broadcast address. For example, you can set the broadcast address for ETH0 to 192.168.255. To change the MTU size, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 MTU followed by the desired MTU value. For example, you can change the MTU from the default, usually 1500 to 1480. This can be useful for troubleshooting network issues. Let's explore some advanced ifconfig options. Promiscuous mode enables capturing all network traffic, not just the traffic address to the interface. Multi configures the interface to receive all multicast packets, not just those it has subscribed to. ARP enables or disables the use of the address resolution protocol on the interface. Multicast enables or disables multicast support for the interface. Now let's look at some examples of advanced usage. To enable promiscuous mode for packet sniffing, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 promisc. To disable promiscuous mode, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 promisc. To disable the ARP protocol on the interface, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 ARP. To change the MAC address or hardware address, use the command sudo ifconfig ETH0 HW ether followed by the new MAC address. Let's explore some common use cases for ifconfig. Ifconfig helps identify interface status and configuration problems, so it is used for troubleshooting network connectivity. Verify the IP address and check RX or TX statistics and restart interface if required. Also, assign a temporary IP address, and set the netmask to set up a temporary network configuration quickly. To do this, use ifconfig ETH0 followed by the IP address. You can configure interfaces for security testing by enabling promiscuous mode and changing the MAC address. Also, you can create and manage virtual interfaces with ifconfig to configure multiple IP address on a single interface. Let's discuss modern alternatives to the ifconfig command. The IP command suite has replaced ifconfig in most modern Linux distributions. The IP command, part of the ifroute2 package, provides more powerful and flexible network configuration options. The IP command is now the preferred tool for network configuration in modern Linux systems. While ifconfig is still useful for backward compatibility, the IP command offers several advantages. It has more comprehensive network configuration capabilities. It has better support for modern networking features, a unified interface for multiple network operations, and more detailed output and statistics. It also has support for advanced routing and tunneling. It has better IPv6 support along with active development and maintenance. Learning both tools is valuable for working with different Linux distributions and versions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.